to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell. If not, welcome back. Today, I decided I am going to do a pop socket. It's been quite some time since I've shown you how to do a pop socket. I'm going to do a monogram on this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to sand my pop socket. Just get it nice and scuffy. Now that it is sanded well, I am going to wipe it down with the wet paper towel. Make sure it's dry. It's dry. I haven't gotten out my glitter yet, so let me do that. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I have so much glitter, guys. I want to do something I haven't done yet, though. I think I really like this one. This is called Gus Gus. Let's do Gus Gus. And this is from Peachy Olive Glitters. Now their glitters are a little pricier, but they are really, like, really beautiful glitters. So this is Gus Gus. So I have my glitter glue. I'm going to maybe not put on some glitter glue. See if I can clean this out. It's stuck in glue. There we go. I think I got it. Yes. Grab my brush. Why is it so grungy? Swipe this on. Sorry guys, I'm in a silly mood today. Swipe it on. There, she's right from last time. I'll put a little more on. Swiping it on, swiping it on. Like so, drop that in there. And then sprinkle on that glitter, or pour it. In my case, I pour it. And that is what we are left with. So I'm going to let this dry for 2 hours. I'll probably just smush it after the 2 hours and then do my coat over it. Do a coat of glitter glue to seal it, and then after that dries, I'll move on to Brite Tone. See you guys soon. Alright, welcome back. Okay, so it's been drying for 2 hours. So now to push the glitter down, I push the face down onto paper. Now you're gonna have some glitter lossage, but you're good. It's fine. I'm actually gonna save this. Okay, so after you've done that, after your glitter is lying nice and flat, you want to make a mixture of water, 1 part water, which I'm not using a whole lot. Just got a tiny bit in there. Honestly, I could probably put even less. Just a teeny bit of water. To 2 parts glue. So I got a tiny bit, and I'm gonna My glue dried up again. Let's see. Oh. Here we go. 1, 2, that's about 2 parts glue to 1 part water. Mix it up. It should be like a milky white color. So you should have like a milky white. And then you want to brush that on. Let me get a clean brush. Okay. Got to brush that on over your glitter. This will seal it in and should help cover your glitter so you can use a little bit less Brite Tone. Here, actually, let me pour it on. Make sure there's no excess. So you're gonna let that dry for 2 hours. And yeah, and then we'll start applying our Brite Tone. So I'll see you soon. Alright guys, we're ready for our first layer of Brite Tone. So the glue did a really great job at sealing. So you just need a little bit, not much. Just swipe it on with your finger. And that's it. I'll be back once this is dry for 4 hours. See you guys soon. Alrighty guys, I am back to do another layer of Brite Tone. So this is my second layer. You just want that. Just rub it on. And that's it. Make sure it's fully covered. And you're good. And let it dry for 4 hours. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I am back and I'm applying another layer of Brite Tone. After this dries really well, I will give it a nice sanding. That's it. Sorry about my children in the background. You know the deal. It's coming out pretty nice. See you guys soon. Alright guys, so we are ready to sand. So I'm gonna lay it flat on the sandpaper like this. And just sand it. Just get a good sand. Wipe it slightly with a damp cloth and get any residue off. Right, now to apply our Brite Tone. Alrighty, see you guys next. Alrighty guys, I'm back putting another layer of Brite Tone. So see you guys soon. Alright guys, I'm ready for one more coat of Brite Tone before before I add my decal. It is pretty smooth already, so this should be perfectly smooth once we're done. See, it looks really smooth. All right, so I'll see you guys in about 4 hours or so. We'll see. All right, guys, so we are ready for the decal. Hold on, Lex. There we go. Maybe. Okay. So I'm going to try and center it up. Press it down. And then remove my paper. Finish up something like this. So once that's on, I make sure it's pressed down really good. Just pressing it down. And now I'm going to apply a layer of Brite Tone. Excuse my Brite Tone bottle. It is looking pretty rough. Just do a layer, let that dry really well, and I'll be on to more layers. See you guys soon. I'm back with another layer of Brite Tone. A tiny bit more. Okay. Alright guys, see you guys next time. Alrighty guys, we are back to put another layer of Brite Tone. And if you want to know how to do the monograms, I will link it below in the description. I put a little too much. Ooh. Okay. See you guys in a few hours. Alright guys, I'm adding another layer before it is time to sand.
Scrap lumber to build a door strong enough to keep out predators.
See you guys when it's ready to sand. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to do a light sanding over my decal. You don't want to put a lot of pressure, light pressure. pretty smooth. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick. And wipe it down with a damp cloth or with a damp paper towel. And we're gonna smooth that on. There we go. I might add one more coat. It's pretty smooth. So I'll see you guys back for one more coat.
I was gonna dance to it. Why don't you go meow in the background a couple times? Go play in your room. Come on, let's go play in our rooms.
Alrighty guys, I'm back and I don't know why that looks so cloudy. And my last layer. And then it will cure for at least a week. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.